Karbi lamet amai pen lamet sarpo rongbong terangapan kurwang thu pajirdam. Karbi lo Charlie asong pen career counseling ke Charlie oversight ke paklang. Hini ang deng Jaipong Sport Association Football League ke Pangchengpon. Kardom Karbi prime time long pen ili junaliti mungpi non bertang ton pen arju ikha asam sait sabha pen lamet sarpo rongbong terangapan lumerdai lamet anong e ke panong aberta karjulong pen Karbi lamet amai atum lamet sarpo hem paledamsi aruni phai inkoira ner kep ani alang liphan kurwang thuk pajirdam. Asam sait sabha pen tejpur along bosik isi ani lamet kuru sarpo rong milir hahi sonse bang rongbong terangapan lumerdai lamet anong e pajirpon po laso abirda karjulong pen aru inkoira ner kep ani Karbi lamet amaya tum lamet sarpo terangahem paledamsi kurwang thu pajirdam rong milir hahil sonse bang terangapan kurwang thu kapajirdam along mai phu suren kramsa chun bang kamsing hanse dun mai phu bang hini hukur sing rongpi liladhor teron bidisar sing kro lapen lamet trust mai phu joy sing tobi chitong dun. Karbi lo Charlie asong pen rong theang song sa hem along aru inkoira ner kep ani career counseling na pen seminar cum scholarship guidance program padusi kachali oversight paklangpon. Karbi lo Charlie asong la pen Punjab Global Institute adum patir PC rong theang song sa hem along career counseling na pen seminar cum scholarship guidance padusi Global Institute along kachali kedo oversight kachitong ariso nimso pimaraphan than pachini Global Institute Vice Chancellor Dr. Akasdeep Singh pensi Global along kachali oversight ke dolam than pachini laso krung sai along admission arpu ke do Harminder Singh Jorhat pen deposit das nang chitong dun.
Global University Amritsar Punjab pen see that join into program to the career counseling program. Tapi lasu program nong militum kecihok mate ningarong aja alang li itu Global University pen itu Vice Chancellor alang li dar nanti tongdu tapi ke ala itu dak career counseling dak itu students atun han tekan warrior students ada itu studies opportunity alang han tekan lapen ke itu government pen itu scholarship ipon itu kapre course bande tribal pen and youth minister central government pen itu scholarship scheme salam tanggalang itu masih diri cuniri yang tu lamang lakukan lo. Jadi Karbi yang long bangke aja ta hinsta me awareness bangke kiduri bang dupila. Aja scholarship hin puno aja government facilities puno. Pasti ini tu long bangke tangka mah kiduri detan kali. Ada gitu itu ini tuh sulit matriculation kuliah tempat 10 plus kuliah amal kunas sekali naik bang. Kalau sudah itu aktuar bangke mah bang dupik. Kisuman kado bang bangke tangka kabe tu bang kali. Tangga kado tu sampai itu course kini pa me jok ala kisuman ala sumar bang itu course kecali ni course bang cali lo le tapi
we are very thankful to Karbi Student Association for organizing such a wonderful career counseling session for the students of this region. So with their help we educated the students about the various courses, the programs and the eligibility criteria of the courses that are available at Global Institute Amritsar. We also told them about the job opportunities and about the subjects that they have to study in addition to the fee structure. And I feel happy to announce that we have a special scholarship schemes for the students of all the northeastern states.
National People Party Karbi Anglong lapen di Mahasau District Committee atum pen Karbi Anglong lapen di Mahasau ada atum NPP pen kachitoy dun a candidate apan suri kep suse awoter satum apan kachuro alam the non hejong NPP District Committee amaipu Sukur Singh Singnar pen birta nang pale Suri hini ro Crescer Kep aningkan Lok Sabha kilik along number 3 Autonomous District ST Parliamentary Constituency pen National People Party Ratchari Asong pen kachitoy dun abang pulien khochon apan Karbi Anglong lapen di Mahasau ada atum pen kilik apora hut ke cerap kacitu dun lapen NPP asong along claim bang pu bang pi pen ang pada suri kep susia voters satu mapan NPP asong pen kacuro lam the pajirpon non malam so porpan birta moington paiksana
Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot. A place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014 33731 93652 07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Made like a gun, goes like a bullet. Sun Motors, authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkelan, near Don Bosco School, Lifu, 782460, Assam. Easy finance are available here. Please contact 099 579 88008 or 0789 61 69021.
Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi Outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihina mo piputat birta long wangtulo. Jaipong Sport Association pen bater pipon si aruni phai engkoira ner cap ani pen hini yang deng Jaipong Sport Association Football League kapang cheng pon abirta phirangke Rostam tok bipen birta nang pale. Hini yang deng Jaipong Sport Association Football League kapathu kapang cheng pon amai long alhisar po aman apeng pen Karbi yang long Sport Association kongchun bang pangkaj teron chetong dun lapen alhi aman pen SI Katharson ingti lapen National Referee Region Basumatri atum chetong dun. Kipathu pangcheng chia prang JSA amai pulong sing hanse pen JSA lama kang thurpon along kongchun bang bikrom timung pen si chirap dun lo abitu kachetong dun alhi atuma phan Karbi apoho pen ongdung kachetong dun arat lapen kipathu bang puatum angno pachini pon Karbi Anglong Sport Association akongchun bang pangkaj teron pen kopuson kipathu pen si angsong angdeng ankile dun thekji mala haya puthak jumesen alam kipathu ke langdun arat lapen kipathu abang puatum angno lam theki jaipon pado
Inspector lapentu alang ahin mate lamal jana long samay alang penangan kepajan lapen penangan arti kitijundo alang kathar sango kathason kathar lapentu pinagabangso titingsiani nang kitongdon jaipong arat
Football ke patu keceng ani kecepate dun ateran atum laki Bullet FC pen owe chingri FC yang bongsik patu ponlo. Bangsu ke patu along Bullet FC atum ball pum thom an owe chingri FC atum apan thablo lapen owe chingri FC atum pen ball ipum ansi kacitu uncot ajok Bullet FC atum si ke patu kangpu mate keceng si ani kecipahai ponlo. N39 keciling atau pi japra lang solong putot ihum hormu gipon atrak hilik along kijang abirta aruni phaing koiraner kep ani birta nang pale labang su kachiling atuar bi kahinu parpik alam kidam tang ani benta gari motor kaching koi lapen tuar bi ang bongalong amat kaching thang batai lo laso puthak birta long ta pachitak pon apong dopik lo sitami piniani anta labang su kachiling atuar bi kasilam pon jalam ave pinang Halloween adim pen kidam kiwang atum kachiling atuar bi kahinu parpik ajok thedung akasiksak chitong nang alam pen pinang an kachiling arat atum pen ning jerinti Karbi prime time ang kilabon si kang ton ba iklo to mi thak me kruang thu